Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below for notifications. On the menu today, and as you can see here, wonderful chicken, Italian kind of style, tomato sauce, tons of garlic, really quite simple, doesn't take that long. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients we need. Okay, let's check out the ingredients we're using today. In the center, the star of the show, we've got a chicken. So that's a whole chicken. It's quite a small one actually, only like 800 grams. And I've just quartered that. Some bay leaves, some fresh basil, 1 can of tomatoes, like a regular 400 size can, 1 large onion. I've got some really lovely, beautiful black olives there. Stone is in. Could use green if you wanted. Here I've got some dried oregano. If you wanted, you could be using one of those kind of Italian mixed herb type things if you wanted to do that. Tomato paste, there's like 200 grams of that. And here a ton of garlic. We've got like 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. I'm going to start this off with a touch of olive oil. Get a bit of salt and pepper into it. That's about it. Absolutely wonderful. Okay, let's get started. So you're going to need a pot or a kind of similar pan that I've got. And we're going to be using a lid. In there I've got some olive oil. Simply, first stage, let's drop our quartered chicken into the oil just by itself. Medium heat. Let's just get a bit of colour on that and get it started. So about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Turn it a few times. So as you can see, we've been going on a fairly gentle heat for about 8 minutes. Got a nice little bit of colour on it. Our next step is to add our onions. In they go. That ton of garlic, like I say, I really want this to sort of pop in this. You could use a little less if you wanted. We're now going to put in our dried herb, which is oregano. Our bay leaf. Some black pepper. Salt to taste. And then we're going to go now for about 4 to 5 more minutes. Fairly gentle heat. We don't want to be going crazy on this one. Really want to get those flavours into our chicken. So I'm going to be flipping it over a few times. See you then. This is coming together fantastically well. I'm going to drop in those olives right now. I'm using these lovely black olives here. I'm going to drop that 1 can of tomatoes in. Just grab a knife, just really roughly chop those. The tomato puree or paste, in that goes. If you wanted, you could be putting a little bit of white wine in the mix now, or some red wine. We're going to turn this down to a simmer right now. We're going to put a lid on this and we're going to let it go for like 8 or 9 minutes. We're really nearly done actually. 8 or 9 minutes, give it a stir every now and then, nice low heat. Okay, off goes the heat. Let me get some steam out of here for you. And that is looking wonderful. Really, really delicious. Check that for salt, it's going to be fine for me. Now I've got some fresh basil, which I'm just going to put in quite a lot of, and whole. I don't chop it up, I just put it all straight in. Little mix, and I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go. Really quite simple, absolutely wonderful. You can enjoy that with some rice, with some spaghetti or another type of pasta, or some nice crunchy bread, crusty bread. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Please do click that bell icon just below. We will see you soon. Lots of love.